Now I'm chatting with Chris Voigt of the Washington Potato Commission to learn about all the new and unique varieties of potatoes our state is growing. We're out in the beautiful potato field in Central Washington.
Yes.
Of course. And talking about specialty potatoes.
Right.
So not just the old russets.
Right. You know, russets are great. I mean,
Yes.
they're my go-to potato utility.
Yeah.
And actually, they're kind of an heirloom. They've been around like over 100 years. But there's some really cool, fun, exciting varieties if you're interested in trying some new things.
Yeah.
There's some great specialty varieties for that.
And all from Washington.
All from Washington, yes. Not only do we grow them here in Washington, we also breed them in Washington.
Okay.
There's a USDA facility in Prosser, Washington that breeds some great ones, and I'm going to show you some of those varieties
Yeah,
today.
so why don't you do that right now? Let's take a look
Okay,
at
so
what
let me
some
show
of
you
these
some
are.
existing ones that are kind of fun. Like I love this Purple Majesty.
Okay.
Look at that color.
Oh my gosh,
Look
that's
how
beautiful.
purple that color is.
Yeah.
If purple's not your deal,
Okay.
we got a little bit of pink
Oh,
action
that's
going on.
beautiful. And
this
when you
one's-
cook this one, does it stay?
it'll still
kinda
stay.
pink?
It'll have that pink hue. So again, you'll have like pink mashed potatoes.
Do these taste
They taste like a potato.
different at all?
A
or?
little bit, yeah. So it'll be sometimes like the purple's a little bit more of an earthy, kind of a nutty flavor, but still very delicious.
Chris said there are over 100 different varieties of potatoes grown in Washington, with names such as Smiling Eyes yellow potato, the Russian banana fingerling potato, the Jester potato, and some that don't even have names yet. So are consumers getting more interested in specialty potatoes?
Yeah, you know, potatoes, we eat over like 110 pounds of potatoes, every man, woman, and child in this country.
Wow.
And so potato consumption had actually been on the decline, but
Okay.
now we're starting to kind of see a gradual uptick. And I think a lot of it has to do with people are now realizing how nutritious potatoes
They are really nutritious.
But yet, there's some really cool, exciting new potatoes out there.
So what is the future of Washington potatoes? What do you see down the road?
I think we're going to start seeing more of this. We're going to see more exciting different varieties as
Yeah.
consumers become more accustomed to it and don't freak out when they see a purple potato. What am I supposed to do with that?
Yeah.
And get some recipe ideas by coming to our website. It'll be an opportunity to really expand markets with some of these new offerings.
Well, thank you.
Thank you. It's always great seeing you.